Solution 1. Fix frozen iPhone without by force restart. If your iPhone gets frozen, you can try to force restart your iDevice. But please note that it will probably cause data lost, so you'd better not apply this method unless you are sure that you have made a backup for your iPhone. 1. Simultaneously press and hold the power button and the home button on your device, then release the 2 button the moment iPhone screen turns black. 2. Hold the power button again and release it when you can see an Apple logo on screen. 3. Then the iPhone will be restarted. Then you might manage your iPhone now. Note: for an iPhone 7 Plus, please press the volume down button instead of the home button and the power button. And the other operations are the same. Solution 2. Fix iPhone gets frozen issue with DFU mode. You can also fix the frozen iPhone with DFU mode default firmware update, but it will reset your device and erase all data and settings on your iPhone. So you might lose all data on your iOS device unless you have a backup. 1. Run the latest iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone to PC with a USB cable. 2. Hold the home button and the sleep or wake button at the same time for a few seconds till the device screen turns black. 3. Then you might release the sleep or wake button and keep holding the home button. At the time, a message from iTunes will tell you that iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. Then you might release the home button and your device might turn completely black. If not, just retry to enter recovery mode. 4. Then click Restore iPhone option on iTunes to restore your device. Thus your iPhone can get back to normal. Note: for an iPhone 7 Plus, press the volume down button instead of the home button. Solution 3. Fix iPhone frozen issue without data lost. Step 1. Launch the software on your computer and make your iPhone connected to the PC with a USB cable. Then click More Tool iOS System Recovery on the interface. Step 2. After that, the software might automatically detect the problem on your iPhone and show the possible issues that your iPhone may have. Just like iPhone gets frozen, stuck on Apple logo, recovery mode, error 27, screenshot not working, and etc. Then click Start to continue. Step 3. Then you might need to confirm the information. Your iPhone. If it is right, simply click Repair button to fix your iPhone frozen issue. To repair your iPhone, the software might download the latest firmware for your device after detecting your current iOS version.